Hey guys! So welcome back to Stephanie and Bryan Vlogs! So, in today's video, gagawa po tayo ng coffee jelly! I'm so excited! And today, nandito po kami nagfi-film sa may rooftop po namin. Gagawa po kami ngayon ng coffee jelly dahil, stuck up tayo lahat sa bahay because of the quarantine, because of the coronavirus. And sobrang init na nga, tapos nakastuck up pa tayo sa bahay. So ngayon gagawa tayo na something magpapalamig sa ulo mo o kaya sa pakiramdam mo dahil sobrang init sa loob ng bahay. So yeah, but before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Ring the bell so you'll get notified when we upload some more videos. And comment down below for any suggestions you want us to do. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients that we're going to use. So this is the coffee jelly po. It's a jelly and niluto po namin siya with coffee kaya po color black siya. So this is the video namin na ginawa rin po namin. So ito naman na po yung ingredients na kakailanganin po natin habang gagawin po natin. We have condensed milk, evaporated milk, coffee. Then, yun nga po yung jelly and yung sagot. Meron din po tayong baso, tumbler, kung saan dun po namin ilalagay yung coffee jelly para maganda po yung makikita niyo. And we have bowls, spatula, we have butter knife, and then measuring cups. Let's go! So first, hatiin na po namin yung jelly. So, ito na po yun. Naset na po namin siya. I'm so scared kasi baka I might miss. Yeah, in one packet of Mr. Gulaman jelly, it's 4 cups or 3 cups of water. Then we boil it na. Yes. Okay, so let's start. Go. Oh my gosh. So guys, nahati-hati na po namin. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna pick it up. We're just going to show you. Pick it up? Yes! What? You see that? It's all cubes. Gosh, look! Guys, cube na po siya. It's cute. Malinis po yung kamay namin, okay? Hinugasan po namin yung kamay namin. Now we're going to put these jellies in this container. I think sinet po namin to around 25 minutes or 20 minutes. Hindi po kami gaano na makapaghintay dahil nga po magagabi na and we want lighting. So, ayaw naman po namin sobrang tanghali dahil sobrang init. Pero nagkamali po kami doon dahil umulan pa. So, not ulan, ampon lang. So, buti ngayon po tumigil. Oh my gosh! Okay guys, so ngayon po, ilalagay naman po natin yung mga gatas dito po sa loob. Condensed milk and evaporated milk. You can also add all-purpose cream, but we decided not to put kasi may mga iba din naman pong recipes na hindi na din kailangan ng all-purpose cream. So, let's go! Guys, isa-scoop niyo po yung mga natira sa loob kasi hindi po nalabas lahat. Okay now, guys, we are going to mix it. Oh, very slowly but very thoroughly. Step, mix it properly and... Okay guys, now halong-halo na po siya. I hope so. Yes, I think so. Yeah. Meron pa. How about let's taste kung tama ba yung flavor niya. It's very good. I don't wanna taste. Why? And now we're gonna add a little bit of coffee in this. We're gonna add more. Ooh! Buo-buo pa po kasi yung coffee. To look good! Dati guys, gumawa po kami ng coffee jelly sa school. And nagtinda po kami, grade 5 pa lang po ako, nagtinda po kami. Activity po nila. Yeah, magtitinda po kami sa other grades ng coffee jelly. So, may tatlong group po sa grade namin. And yung isa, gagawa ata ng Graham Ball. And yung mga iba naman, hindi ko na po maalala. Basta naalala ko lang po, kami noon is coffee jelly. And sobrang sarap po yung time namin. Okay, now we're gonna settle all of these things in our bottles. So, bagong bili po ito ng mama namin kasi wala po kaming baso na super clear, tas straight lang kung saan makikita niyo po every layers ng ilalagay namin jelly, ilalagay namin sago, at saka itong juice na to. So, with this, mom and I decided na bilhin na lang. So, yeah.
Let's put it.
Okay.
I'm so excited to So guys, ngayon po ilalagay na po namin
Yung mga ingredients sa baso na to. Very excited!
Okay guys, let's go.
So, ang una po namin ilalagay is the jelly. Okay, you may go first. You can add the desired amount of jelly you want.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna add 2. Okay, now we're gonna add the sago.
Sago!
Oh my God, medyo nag-dry out na yung sago namin.
No, it's okay. Kasi may liquid texture.
Oh my God, tingnan mo. Nag-dry out na siya.
Oh my god!
Oh my God! Oh, okay. More. I like my sago.
That's
Do you think
enough?
that's enough? I think I'm going to add more. Yeah. Favorite ko ang sago.
Yung nakita ko po yung sago, ang inisip ko, what if we make taho? Pero wala po tayong, ano yun? Yung white?
Oh, tofu. Kasi kapag gagawa ng taho, I think you have to make your own tofu. Like very soft tofu.
Oh. Because I love taho.
If you want to make us taho, comment down below. But this is gonna take
I think
long.
this is enough.
And now we're gonna add look at that, it looks like taho.
Oh!
Now we're gonna add the liquid thingies.
Luin po na. Actually, hindi po kasi maglalagay pa po kami ng ice.
I think that's enough.
I think this is enough.
As you can see, guys, my bottle is clear and hers is pink. The bottle niya po is pink, but you can still see the real color of it. Look at this.
Okay.
Oh, me too.
Oh my gosh.
Now we're get some ice. I like cold stuff. Everything cold is amazing for me. I think this is enough, and I'm going to mix it. Oh my! Okay guys, since now it's done, we're gonna have some montage. Let's go!
Okay guys, ngayon po, titikman na po namin.
Yes, we are. It's
At
the
malamig na po siya.
Yeah, it's the moment. It's
Oh my gosh. The moment of...
Kung masarap ba talaga siya, I hope so masarap siya. Okay,
I hope na hindi siya mapait.
Of course it will not be. Okay, let's
Okay,
go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, ang sarap! And gagawin din po namin ang family namin, sila mama, papa, at sila kuya, ng sarili din nila. So we have some bottles here, and we're gonna make for them. Let's go! Watching this video. This is super fun.
Sobrang sarap din.
Yeah, ang sarap niya at ang lamig. Maganda po to kapag ititinda niyo po to or isa-share niyo na lang po sa family niyo. It's so good.
So, if you like this video,
if you did, smash that like button and subscribe
Turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out anytime that we post some new videos.
So yeah, that's it guys. Bye! Be safe from coronavirus.
Yeah.